Okay. So it says that wet cat's coat thoroughly with warm water. Hi, cat. Okay. So I am wetting the cat. You are thoroughly wet. You are damp and you are wet and you hate me. That's okay. Thank you. Alright, now it says, apply shampoo along the back of your cat and work shampoo well into coat, avoiding contact with eyes. Okay, so I am opening it, and
this is an obvious first for us all.
Yes. Hey, kitty. Yes, I know. Holy crap.
Do you want me to hold her in place?
It's okay, kitty. You just smell really bad. I'm here. I'm here. I'm just making you wet and soapy and icky. Slippery. You are very slippery kitty.
It's so much smaller without her fur.
I know. Can you imagine doing this with Ferdy?
Oh my god. That would be death.
Oh, you poor kitty, your heart is beating so fast.
Sorry, get more of the soap underneath the cat.
No.
That's where all the...
I'm trying to get more water so it lathers better.
Okay. Oh my god, look at those eyes.
Poor thing.
Don't forget, like, her chest, because she's got it there.
La. Oh my god. Sit.
She's not a great cat.
Where's all this shampoo? We need more shampoo here.
No. She has shampoo everywhere.
Thank God this is a dirty shirt.
She okay?
She's okay. Hey, cat. Oh, yeah.